this is the view of Kampala, Uganda, guys. So Kampala is the capital city of Uganda, and Uganda has 30 million population as a country, and at the same time people here speak English, most of the people, but they have the local language as Luganda. Like similarly, guys, like back in the history of Shillong, Meghalaya, if I'm not wrong, they used to have one greatest king who fought for their freedom. So Uganda used to have this type of kingdom where they was having a kingdom, and they used to have a king who used to fight for them. But now it's not a kingdom anymore. Like now Uganda has its own president. There is no any kingdom things again here. And the same thing in Shillong, now they have their own chief minister. So this is what is happening similarly here in Kampala, guys.